western Canton County in southern New Jersey until 7:45 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lindenwood, Berlin, Trevillhurst, Atco, Sicklerville, Pine Hill, Clementon, Jamesboro, and Pine Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Severe thunderstorm watch number 630 remains in effect until 8 p.m. and now includes the following counties. Remember, thunderstorm watch means the conditions are vulnerable for the large-scale and damaging in cold areas. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Commercial radio Pennsylvania. The following is